Hi, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the logarithms, the last part of real numbers. వాస్తవ సంఖ్యలో ఆఖరి భాగంలో ఉన్నటువంటి సంవర్గమానములు అనే విషయం గురించి తెలుసుకుంటాం. ఇప్పుడు ఏమిటి సంవర్గమానం? వాట్ ఈస్ మెంట్ బై logarithm? The first time we are going to learn about these things, so it's also very easy, and in future this logarithmic operations be useful in the higher intermediate and mathematics, in so many problems solving. It involves the logarithmic method. So these are all basics. So you see, look here, study here. Logarithm somewhat. What is a logarithm? What is the definition? Logarithm is an inverse operation of the exponential form. Yesterday in the previous video we learned how to write a given number in the exponential form, in the power form. Exponent or the index in the exponential form. And its loss of indices or the loss of exponents you studied. And now remind yourselves about the exponential form of a given number. Suppose, see, look here, 4 square is equal to 16. 4 square is equal to 16. So like that, 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. అలాగే 10 square is equal to 100. See, these are all exponential forms. 16 I am writing as exponential form, and 8 is 2 cube, 100 is equal to 10 square. Here what is 4? This is the base, and this is index or the exponent. Understand? So 16 can be written as the exponent real form to the base 4, and the exponent is 2. Here also 2 is raised to the power of 3 to get 8. That is, 2 is the base, 3 is the exponent here, and 2 is the it is third. It is raised to the power of 3. The answer is 8. Okay, 100 is equal to 10 square. 100 is equal to 10 square. 10 to the cube is equal to 1000. So for the 10 base, the exponent is 3. For the 10 base, for exponent is 2 here. And the same we wrote these numbers in the exponential form to the base 4, and the exponent is 2 here. Here, what is to find in the same is the same relation. There is exponential relation, the same equation we can convert into the logarithmic form. How to convert this into a logarithmic form? Here in logarithms, what is a logarithmic method? The main our object is to find the exponent. To find the exponent to the given base to a given number. That is to find here. See, look here. Here, what was 16? To get 16, we raised 4 to 2. We raised 4 to the exponent 2. Like to get 8, we raised 2 to the power 2, 3, to the power 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cube. Here 10 square, 10 is raised to the power of 2 to get 100. Here what is to get 16 to the base 4, we raise it to the exponent 2. So the same we am writing. Look here once, look here again. Logarithm of 16 2 base 4 is equal to 2. See, this is the exponential form, this is the logarithmic form. Same I am writing. Here the importance is 16 is equal to 4 square. And here the power is we are expected here for logarithm of 16 2 base 4 is equal to 2. Logarithm to the base 4 is equal to 2. The same I am writing as, see, this I can write 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Same 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 16. So the same we write as in the logarithmic form. Logarithm of 16 2 base 2 is equal to 4. See, when the base changes, the logarithm also changing. The power is changing. See, here 2, here 4. Here base is 4, the logarithm is 2. Here base is 2, logarithm is 4. Understand? So for different bases, the logarithms are different. Here, what is 2 cube is equal to 8. So the same I am writing in the logarithmic form. See, logarithm of 8, 2 base 2 is equal to 3, because 2 cube is equal to 8. So if logarithm is given, you can write in the exponential form, and if the exponential form is given, it can be written in the form exponential form. See, now see 10 square is equal to 100. That is logarithm of 100, 2 base 10 is equal to 2, because 10 square is equal to 100. And here you see, look at here, logarithm of 1000, logarithm of 1000, 2 base 10 is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. You understand? This is, now I wrote the very simple things. I wrote the logarithmic method or logarithmic way, the given exponential form. So this is the first thing is learned. And main thing here we notice, here you see log 100 to base 10 is 2, log 1000 to base 10 is 3. So for any number, if the logarithm is to base 10, it is called a common logarithms. They are called common logarithms, and sometimes they don't write it. You need not write it. If they don't write anything, it means its base is 10 only. You have to understand like that. మీరు ఇక్కడ బేస్ ఏమీ లేదు అన్నట్లయితే 10 బేస్ అంటే 100 యొక్క సమవర్గమానము 10 బేస్కి 2, అలాగే 1000 యొక్క సమవర్గమానము 10 బేస్కి 3. వీటిని ఏమంటాము కామన్ లాగరిథమ్స్ అంటారు. అండ్ హూస్ బేస్ ఈజ్ 10 బేస్గా ఉండేటువంటి సమవర్గమానాలన్నింటినీ కూడా సామాన్య సమవర్గమానాలు, కామన్ లాగరిథమ్స్. Common logarithms are even. See, look here. So like that, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, like that. And in future, and you find a table in future in higher classes for any number to the base 10, for log of 5 to base 10, log of 1 to base 10, log of 3 for base 10, like that. For any number for base 10, and you have a calculated table is there that will be useful in solving many problems. మీకు పై తరగతులు చేసుకుంటారు. ఏ సంఖ్యకైనా సరే, ఏ వాస్తవ సంఖ్యకైనా సరే, నువ్వు బేస్ 10గా ఉండేటటువంటి విలువలన్నింటినీ కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి ఒక టేబుల్లో ఇస్తారు. అది మనకు చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయి అన్నమాట. సో అసలు నో బేసిక్ థింగ్స్ వీఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ ది బేసిక్ థింగ్స్ అబౌట్ ది లాగరిథమ్స్. సమవర్గమానాల్లో బేసిక్ థింగ్స్ మనం తెలుసుకుంటాం 10th class. So listen carefully. And now there are some more things you have to learn here regarding this. Now the first thing is to convert an exponential form in the logarithmic form. Understand? And now another point is you know that 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. You know this. 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. You know this. How to write this in the exponential? See, peculiar thing. You see, this 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, you know that. So, therefore, we write the logarithm of 2 base 2 is equal to 1. It's good because since 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power of 1 యొక్క 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2 కాబట్టి 2 యొక్క సమవర్గమానం 2 యొక్క సమవర్గమానం 2 బేస్కి 1 అవుతుంది. అలాగే దీని చూడండి 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, log 5 to base 5 is equal to 1. అలాగే for any number 7 to the 1 is equal to 7. Therefore, log 7 to base 7 is equal to 1. So in general, దీన్ని బట్టి మనకు ఏం అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుంది? log of any number to the same base is always 1. log of any number to the same base, logarithm of any number to the same base is 1. అంటే ఒక సంఖ్య యొక్క సమవర్గమానం అదే బేస్కి అదే ఆధారమునకు 1 అవుతుంది. రిమెంబర్, సో ఇన్ జనరల్ log x to base x is equal to 1. Log x to base x is equal to 1. So remember the another important point. And some more things I am telling you. So this is about the logarithm form. Here we must note some logarithm, laws of logarithms. సమవర్గమాన న్యాయాలని కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి. సమవర్గమాన న్యాయం. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ సో if you have a number in the exponential form, you can convert it in the logarithmic form. Understand? And you know that very simple laws are there. Now look at the book. One is product rule. What is this product rule? What is this product rule? What is product rule? Log xy to base a is equal to log x to base a plus log y to base a. Okay, look at that rule. Log xy to base a is equal to log x to base a plus log y to base a. Understand? So that means the logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithms. That is logarithm of a product is equal to the sum of the logarithms. Sum of the logarithms. Logarithm of the product is the sum of the logarithms. అంటే ఏంటి? ఏదైనా ప్రోడక్ట్ రూపంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఏ నెంబర్ అయినా సరే, సపోజ్ 50 ఉందనుకో, log 5 into 10, you can write in the form log 5 into 10, log 5 into 10, log 50, log 5 into 10 to base some x to base x is equal to log 5 to base x plus log y to log 10 to base x. So like that, if any product is there, product log xy, if the given number is in the product form, you find the logarithms of both the numbers here in this product. Since both are multiplying as factors, if you have that, you find the logarithm to x to base a and to y to base a and add it. అంటే దీని యొక్క సమవర్గమానము ఇదే బేస్కి, దీని యొక్క సమవర్గమానం ఇదే బేస్కి, రెండు సమవర్గమానాలు కలిపినట్లయితే log xy to base a వస్తుంది. ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ యొక్క ఆధారం, ప్రోడక్ట్ యొక్క సమవర్గమానం వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. సో రిమెంబర్ వెల్, log xy to base a equal log x to base a is equal to log x to base a plus log y to base a. That is, logarithm of a product is equal to the sum of the logarithms of the given numbers in the product. Understand? So just a moment, I will explain the proof now. Look here. See, now I explain the product rule now. What is product rule? Log xy to base a is equal to log x to base a plus log y to base a. How it is? Just a small proof is there. You listen. Again I am telling you product rule. Log xy to base a, logarithm of xy to base a. xy అనేది x into y అని ఒక ప్రొడక్ట్ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ నెంబర్ యొక్క ఇదే బేస్కి దాని యొక్క లాగరిథం ఏ రకంగా ఆన్సర్ ఎలా ఉంది అంటే log x to base a plus log y to base a. If no proof is here, you see, look here, proof. log x to base a is equal to 1. Let log x to base a, log x to base a is equal to m. That implies what is log x to base a is equal to m? That means a to the power of m is equal to x, is it not? Like that. And log y to base a is equal to n. That means what is this? Log y to base n is equal to that means in the exponential form again. A to the power of n is equal to y. See these two points. These two statements you see. And now come here. Now, what do we have xy? Do you see? We have xy. We have xy is equal to what is x? A to the power of m. A to the power of m. What is y? A to the power of n. That is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. See lots of indices. Go to lot of indices. What is a to the power of m to a to the power of n? It is a to the power of m plus n. What is a to the power of m plus n? Log xy to base a. If this is now xy to a to the power of m to a to the power of that is a to the power of m. Then put logarithm here. Put log of xy to base a. Log of xy to base a is equal to m plus n. Again see, this is exponential form, this is logarithmic form. Log xy to base a is equal to log xy to base a is equal to m plus n. M plus n the power, that is more important for us. So log xy to base a is equal to m plus n. What is m plus n? See, look here, what is m plus n? It is log x to base a plus log y to base a. See? So in this way, log xy to base a is equal to log x to base a plus log y to base a. Understand? So this is the proof of the product rule. Just a moment. Now next is in the last week we studied product rule. Now it is quotient rule. Product rule is log xy to base a. Now the quotient rule is log x by y to base a. అంటే ఏదైనా భాగహార రూపంలో డివిజన్స్ పీ బై క్యూ ఫామ్లో ఉండేటటువంటి డివిజన్ ఫామ్లో కోషంట్ రూల్, దట్ ఈస్ కోషంట్ రూపంలో ఉండేటటువంటి ఈ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్ షేప్ ఉండేటటువంటి ఏ నంబర్ యొక్క లాగరిథం సమవర్గమానము ఏమవుతుంది? ఇందాక లాగ్ xy అయినప్పుడు లాగ్ x ప్లస్ లాగ్ y అయింది. ఇప్పుడు లాగ్ x బై y అన్నప్పుడు లాగ్ x టు బేస్ a మైనస్ లాగ్ y బై బేస్ a. దీని కూడా సేమ్ ఇందాక లేదా సేమ్ ప్రూఫ్, సేమ్ సింపుల్ ప్రూఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్. సో అగైన్ లెట్ లాగ్ x టు బేస్ a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు m, దేర్ఫోర్ a టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ m ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x. అలాగే లాగ్ y టు బేస్ a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు m, దేర్ఫోర్ a టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు y. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో అగైన్ put those values here. xy by x by y is equal to a to the power of m by a to the power of n. What is x? A to the power of m. What is y? A to the power of m. So a to the power of m by a to the power of n. x m by a to the power of n. Y is equal to a to the power of n. So xy by y is equal to a to the power of m by a to the power of n. What is a to the power of m by a to the power of n? Yesterday we studied the laws of exponents. A to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m minus n. So xy is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Same convert into logarithmic form. Log of xy, logarithm of x by y to base a is equal to m minus n. So you understand? This is power m minus n. So what is m? Log x to base a. What is n? Log y to base a. So log of x by y to base a is equal to log x to base a minus log y to base a. So this is the quotient rule. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, here the third one, that is power rule. Power rule. These are the rules of logarithms, logarithmic laws. Power rule is, what is power rule is telling? Log x to the power of n to base a. See, it is a power rule. Power. Log x to the power of n to base a is equal to n into log x to base a. Again I am telling you, log x to the power of n to base a is equal to n into log x to base a. అంటే n log x to base a, you find first log x to base a and multiply it with n, and you get the answer of log x to the power of n to base a. తెలుసు కదా? ముందు దీని యొక్క లాగరిథం, దీని యొక్క సమవర్గమానం కట్టి దాన్ని n చేత గుణించినట్లయితే మనం log x to the power of n to base a వస్తుంది. Understand how it is? How it is? The very smaller point. This is, you know, You see what is a to the power of m whole to the power of n? What it is a to the power of m into n. That means what is the power of a to the power of m n times. A to the power of m into a to the power of m into a to the power of m, that is like n times. So like that here log x to the power of n to base c means what is x to the power of n? X into x into x n times. So if it is a product rule, you apply a product rule log x into x into x, log x plus log x plus log x. So how many times? N times. So just simply find the logarithm of x to base a and multiply it with n. You get this, understand? Listen to that. And log x to the power of n to base a యొక్క సమవర్గమానం x to the power of n to base a సమవర్గమానం ఎలా వస్తుంది? log x to base a log x to base a కనిపెట్టి x to the power of base a x to base a logarithm of x to base a x యొక్క logarithm base a కనిపెట్టి దాని n చేత గుణిస్తే అది వస్తుంది. So log x to the power of n to base a is equal to n into log x to base a is power rule. Just recall the old one. See, for a x y in general I am telling you log a x y any positive real numbers and a is not equal to 1. Remember one, a is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. What is product rule? Log xy to base a is equal to log x to base a plus log y to base a. You must remember all these points. Quotient rule. Log xy to base a is equal to log x to base a minus log y to base a. That is quotient rule. And this is power rule. These are the three important laws of logarithmic laws. And another 2 points in the previous, just now I told you about this. Log a to base a is equal to 1. That is logarithm of any number to the same base is equal to 1. Logarithm of any number to the same base is equal to 1. Since a to the power of 1 is equal to a. For a, any real number, any positive real number except 1. Understand? So like that, log 1 to base a, log 1 to any base is 0. Log 1 to any base is 0. Since a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. In the laws of indices we studied a to the power of m by a to the power of n. When m and n are equal, m minus n is equal to 0. Here that a to the power of 0 will come. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. When m and n are equal, a to the power of m by a to the power of m, that is equal to 1. So therefore, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So for any base, if the power is 0, then it is equal to 1. ఏ ఆధారంకైనా కూడా దాని యొక్క ఇండెక్స్ 0 అయినట్లయితే 0 అయినట్లయితే దాని యొక్క విలువ 1 అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎనీ ఏ ఫర్ x to the power of 0 is equal to 1, y to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So therefore, logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. Because x to the power of 0 is equal to 1, logarithm of 1 to base a is equal to 0. Logarithm of any base, logarithm of 1 to any base is equal to 0. So remember all these points. That's all for today. And tomorrow we go some more things in the logarithms. And another video is there. And if you are welcome your comments. If you like it, subscribe and share it.